In this video, we're going to look at manipulating decimals. Now, there's lots of prior knowledge required here. You should be able to multiply and divide large numbers, and multiply decimals, divide decimals, and manage significant figures. So all of these will help you with this topic. Okay, so let's look and see what this consists of. You're going to be given a fact. You're going to be given a sum, and then you're going to be asked, without a calculation, to just write down the answer. So do no work and just write down the answer. Now, there are two methods for this. One of them is to look at this and look at this. This is divided by 10. So this is 10 times smaller than that. This to this is also divided by 10. So your answer is going to have the same digits as this in it, but it's going to be divided by 100, which is going to be 50.12. There's one way. Now, another way, which probably is the way I prefer, is to round these significant figures. So that rounds to 1. This rounds to 40. Multiply it. And I know my answer has to be the side 40. Well, it has to have these digits in it. And if I want it to be the side 40, well then my decimal points can't be there, can't be there. That's the closest one to 40, 50.12. That's too far away. Well, 50.12 would be that answer. Okay, so I'm going to have 10, one significant figure, times 4. Again, it's 40. So 40, that'll be my closest one. Again, what I could have done as well is that's the same. That's 100 times smaller. So this is going to be 100 times smaller. Of course, that method's not a bad method either. This is 100 times smaller. 100 times smaller. So this one's going to be 4 zeros, 10,000 times smaller. So move that 4 times to the right is 0.5012. Okay. Now this time I've got this number and this number. So my answer is going to have a 1 and a 4 in it. So let's see what I get here. I think it's really difficult to do this method when you're doing divide, so it changes. I'm definitely going to do this method. 500 divided by 4 is equal to 125. So I want to put my decimal point in. When the answer to be 125 or close to 125, so that's no good. That's no good. It's going to be there, which is going to give me another 0. So you can see there that's quite a difficult concept. Look at one other example. 28.52 divided by 2.3 is 12.4. Okay, so I'm doing significant figures. When I see divide, I definitely prefer significant figures. So it's 3,000 divided by 20 is the same as 300s divided by 2. So it has to be beside 150. So I've got this there, and the answer is beside 150. Well, 1, 2, 4. Where to put a decimal point? Let's get another decimal points here. Well, the answer to be beside 150, so it's not there, it's not there. It's going to be there because that's 1,240. And the answer there is 124. Ooh. This is 3 divided by 2, 1.5. So again, if I check there, whether I drop a decimal point to make that answer beside 1.5. No good, no good. I'll drop it there. This is 30 divided by 20, which again is 1.5, so must give me the same answer as this, which is 1.24. Now the last one, a bit more advanced. I am multiplying this times this gives me this, so I know my answer has to have 2852 in it. Just do my 10 times 20, it's 200s. So where would I put that to be 2.8, too small, 28, too small. I'm going to call it there, 285.2. Let's just check that one. 12.4 multiplied by 23 is 285.2. So there is that idea. Okay, have a go, press pause. The answers will follow in a moment. And there are your answers.